Take a fresh look at Chevy.
Rediscover the all-new Malibu.
It's got a sleek exterior and a high-tech interior.
Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. How about style, comfort, technology?
Take a fresh look at the new Chevy Malibu.
Come on, Bill.
I'm coming.
Now, most people don't think of barbecue as the first thing they think of when dining in Boston, but one bite at Smoke Shop will immediately transport you down south. The brand new Smoke Shop comes to us from the incredibly talented world barbecue champion, Andy Husbands. Andy has been perfecting his barbecue for the past 20 years, and trust us, the authenticity shows.
We're smoking up a storm here. I cannot smoke enough. We have these awesome old hickory pits. We're using oak and cherry sourced from New Hampshire, and we are running them 24/7, and I still can't smoke enough. It's been busy and crazy, and the quality's been great.
The menu options are limitless. Start off with the best bar wings, 6 wings fried to perfection with agave and pit spices. The plates all come with 2 sides with 8 different options to choose from. You can't go wrong with the pairings. Try the brisket plate with a side of farro and broccoli salad and the sweet and spicy coleslaw, or the fried chicken with the grilled and chilled asparagus and the pimento mac and cheese. And of course, the ribs.
My ribs are the #1 gem. The way we do these, I can't quite give you the recipe, but these are a lot of love and a lot of labor to really make these ribs absolutely perfect.
What goes great with ribs and barbecue? Whiskey.
Bourbon, if you think about it, it's aged in oak barrels. We're using oak to cook with, and the smokiness that comes from the oak barrels versus the smokiness of the meat, it makes perfect sense.
The Smoke Shop has over 100 American whiskeys available, so make sure to try one of their Southern cocktails. They also have an extensive beer list with over 75 options. There's something for everyone. Check out all this and more at 1 Kendall Square in Cambridge or at thesmokeshopbbq.com.